This is sharp enough. It's got a ring on. I'm going to take my ring off.
I don't know. I'm very scared of these things.
No, they're with good reason too. Look, you're talking about the second most venomous snake in the world here, so they are quite deadly. Boy or girl? Got the boy.
The boy?
Yeah, the boy. Yeah. You can tell.
Oh.
You see the tail here?
Yeah.
See how the tail goes down to a gradual point?
Oh, okay.
So when it goes down gradually to male, because they still get hemipenes in there, a female will have a short little tail.
Okay, okay.
So,
I was thinking the other way around.
yeah, nah. The male, I haven't had any calls for females yet this season, so.
Yeah, because this is a time where all the females come out and the mating time, so yeah.
Usually this guy's young, but he's still.
So, because I was totally scared to even go near and handle it.
Very good idea. Very good idea. This is probably about one of the riskiest things
Yeah, absolutely.
you can
absolutely.
do
Yeah.
with a snake is cut it out of netting.
And moreover, because there's a pool area and the kids play here,
Yeah, yeah.
and I'm more scared about my guests.
Well, you know what'll happen, you'll get sued for, even though it's not your fault. I mean, obviously this stuff is bad. When we're done, do me a favour and get rid of this stuff.
Okay.
And just make sure everyone you know never uses it, because as you can see, it doesn't stop snakes getting in. They're not that smart.
Yeah, okay.
They're really dumb, to be honest. You're a bit scared, buddy. It's alright.
Do you need a bigger scissors?
No, it's not bigger. But just a little bit.
It's totally, yeah, got into it.
It's gone through. It's alright. Alright.
Only because you are used to working, so you are okay with it.
Yeah, yeah. You can't.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
With
you
them?
can't. Huh?
I'm asking your daughter.
Oh, yeah.
How old are you?
12.
12? Ah. In what year? Year 6?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
He comes out with that and does filming and whatnot,
That's good, very good, very
which is
good.
great. I'll
Yeah.
use this filming. I won't mention your business name online. I never mention a business name because it's a business. But I will mention it was just from a hotel. I won't say where. They had to cut this snake out of these rocks. Okay. You have anything I can... Yeah, thank you. A second to breathe. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. He is not happy. I don't blame him either. I wouldn't be too happy if I had.
Hopefully this helps a bit.
Yeah, it's good. Alright.
You want more of this? I can get more of
That should be fine. We'll just kind of can go here. There's a few things here that are really tight on him.
Yeah.
Just in here. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's.
You can see it's gone around.
Yeah.
I don't think he's in there. I've got to. That part cut out.
Yeah, that's the important part.
Yeah, the important part's there. You want to make sure you're not cutting into him,
Yeah.
as well as the more he struggles too, the more he's likely to cut himself up. So far, I haven't seen any injuries. That's a good thing.
But Paul, these scales they shed as well, right?
Yeah.
So this is a superficial thing.
Well, depends. Their skins are very light on top. They're not going to be. Don't expect the snake to get smaller as a result.
Okay.
So a baby snake, so a snake up to 3 years of age, will do a shed once a month. An adult snake will do a shed every 3 months. And this guy here, he's not. He doesn't look like an adult. He looks more like a sub-adult. So it's more so. I mean, look down here. There's a bit of scales ruffled.
Yeah.
But I'm not seeing any kind of injury, which is a good thing. I'm not sure if he is able to come out or not. Yeah, he may be able to. Yeah. The bag from the different. Bag. Yeah. He's in.
Wow. Thank God.
He's in and done. Last minute, he came about that far from biting me. You saw it?
Yeah.
Very good straight to come up. So
Climbs fast.
they're lightning quick. And if that had been a bite, he wouldn't have been dry biting. Because right now he's very threatened.
Cranky.
Yeah, well, not. They're very primitive creatures. They're not cranky. It's more so that he's realised that I'm a threat to him.
Yeah.
I'm attacking him in the sense of grabbing him. Even surface here. Anyone so, you right?
Yeah.
So guys, I've got that Eastern Brown here from the tour. Got him from a motel. Tangled up in that wire as you've seen. So we're gonna let this guy go back. I know it's night time, but tricky to do that, unfortunately. Alright. goes. Off you go, buddy. Yeah, he's a bit larger than I thought.